Hi friends, in this video I will show you the connections of DC meter which I bought recently. This connection is to know how many amps and volts are producing from solar. Here you can see 13.08 and 0.26 amps. So total 3.2 watts is coming from the solar panels which I have put there outside. Here is a DC meter. It shows voltage, current, power and energy. And comes to the connection, first two is solar positive and solar negative, and the next two wires should be given to the shunt. Here is the shunt. In the shunt, first one end should be given to the battery negative. This wire is connected to the battery negative, and the other end should be given to the negative of solar panel. And one more wire is left, that is battery positive. That battery positive wire should be given to the solar panel positive, solar input positive. That's it, the connection is done. You can see the meter is showing the volts 13.15 and amps 0.25 and power, and for total it is 196 watts till now. And in charge controller also you can see it is charging at 12.9 volts. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.